ginger garlic paste green chillies. Chili powder to piece chili flakes to keep as salt as taste. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. In a juicer add 1 cup yogurt. 2 to 3 TBSP of gram flour. 2 glasses of water. Blend it well until everything mixed. Now in a pot add 1 cup of oil and an onion in it. Fry the onion until it turns golden brown. Now add tomatoes, green chilies and ginger garlic paste in it. Now add all mentioned spices. Bonify it until everything merged and oil separated. Now add yogurt mixture in it. Add 1 cup of water and cook it on medium flame. Mix it well until it starts boiling. Mix, mix, mix. When it starts boiling, leave it on low flame until it began thick. Now add fresh green coriander and garam masala on it. Delicious food curry is ready. Pakoras ingredients: onions, fresh coriander, green chilies, potatoes, cumin seeds, jeera, salt, garam, masala, coriander powder, chili flakes. Add all mentioned ingredients in a bowl. Now add gram flour besan in it. Add water gradually and make thick mixture. Mixture is ready for frying. In a pan, heat the oil and add mixture of pakora. When pakora is ready, add it in the curry. Yum yum!